Hi, I'm Claudia, class of 2015 from the School of Social Ecology. Every year, more than 1,000 social ecology undergraduates are placed in over 200 community partner agencies through the Social Ecology Field Study Program. Students see firsthand the connections between theory and practice and grow into more informed community leaders. For my field study, I assisted a local nonprofit in providing programs and services to individuals and families affected by HIV and AIDS. This experience has given me a deeper understanding of the needs of this community and more compassion for others. It helped me narrow down my career goals, and now I'm working towards a board-certified behavior analyst to serve children and families with autism and other disabilities. Today is UCI's Giving Day. Help us support field study to ensure the program continues to be transformative for students and our community. Gifts made during this 24-hour campaign will support students and in turn impact our communities through workshops, scholarships, and student-developed projects. A gift of any size can make a difference. To learn more, go to give.uci.edu. Zot, zot, zot!